Hello there, welcome back to EMS Grade 9. In this video, we want to look at March test typical questions. So we're going to look at Section 8, typical Section 8 questions. We are going to start on the matching items where it is choose a term in column B that matches a description in column A, right? Only the letter A to G next to the question numbers. That is 1.1.1 to 1.1.5. Then we are given how to present answer book. So we've got a column A and a column B. So explanation that we are having in column A should match any table that we are having in column B. So the first explanation that we have is a point where the quantity and the price of demand and the supply are equal. And we know that that's when we on our curve, that's when we are having our demand are being positively sloped. So basically that's the typical graph that we have, whereby you're saying and this one supply curve, and where the intersects is the equilibrium point. So that's where we have where the price is equal to the quantity. So remember, the price is equal to quantity from the sense that the price of the equilibrium point, whereby the vertical axis is represented by price, and then the horizontal axis are quantity. So basically, that's the typical graph that we have for the point of equilibrium where the supply curve intersects the demand curve. And that's where we have such a scenario where we are saying a point where the quantity and price of the demand and supply are equal. So that's exactly equilibrium. So a D is our correct response. So we are saying D on the first part. Then 1.1.2, the quantity that consumers are willing to buy at a certain price. So obviously, is the demand. We have demand at C. At 1.1.3, free trade of exports and imports with foreign countries. So obviously, when you engage in globalization, that's where there is a free trade of exports and imports. So we have globalization, within a certain period. So obviously, this is on GDP, and the period is usually annually. It is after 1 year. So we have GDP, which is E. The last part is a system where the government makes all decisions. So we know that that one is planned. This is what we have on the first section of our section A. Then we've got our second section of section A, where we have fill in the missing words for each of the statement below. Fill the missing word or words, write only the correct word or words next to the question number in your answer book. So you're given how to present again in your answer book. So 1.2.1, the Dutch system is the economic system used in South Africa, and we know that this is the mixed economic system. So we can just try to present 1.2.1, whereby we are saying 1.2.1, where we are saying is the mixed economic system. Then we go to the next question, which reads, the Dutch sector contributes the most to the economy. And within the context of South Africa, we know that the tertiary sector contributes the most to the economy. So we have tertiary. Tertiary sector, and then we go to the next part. Mass production and specialization is found in the tertiary sector of the economy. So obviously, production takes place in the secondary sector. So we have secondary. Then we go to the next part of question, which says the sector that is largely unskilled workers with a few semi-skilled workers with overseeing roles is called the this is the primary sector. So we have a primary. Go to the next part, which is going to be the last one, which is saying the continuous flow of goods and services between different participants in the economy is called the, and you know that this is the circular flow. So we indicate it as the circular flow, and this becomes the last part of our question. So let's take note. Our question is only 10 marks, 5 marks on our first part, and then another 5 marks on the second part. So this is what we have got with this video. Let's stay tuned for more videos to come. More typical examination questions are going to be uploaded on this channel. So let's get notified. Let's subscribe and turn on the notification button. Let's share the link to our colleagues who are doing grade 9 EMS. As for this video, I'm out. Let's meet again in the next video.